So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the four different branches of the body's plexus. The main four are lumbar, sacral, brachial, and sacral. So let's first get a little bit into what even is a plexus. So a plexus are a bunch of network of nerves that are formed by the branching of interconnection of many individual nerve fibers. These networks are found throughout the body and are vital in coordinating and transmitting nerve signals to various organs and tissues. So we should start off with our first one, which is the cervical plexus. I will help by demonstrating this with photos and examples. So in the cervical plexus, it is located around the neck region, typically in the upper neck, since it is partially in like the fifth cervical spine nerve of C5. The lesser occipital nerve of the cervical plexus helps with sensory feeling to the scalp behind the ear, as well as the transverse cervical nerve, um, which also gives sensory to the skin of the neck and the shoulder. So moving on to our next plexus, it is the brachial plexus. So as we see here in the photo, we see that the location of the brachial plexus is around the shoulder area. The musculocutaneous nerve of the brachial plexus helps for the motor to the biceps and also the brachialis muscles, so causes a sensory feeling to the lateral forearm. We also see in the axillary nerve that the motor to the deltoid, it acts as a motor to the deltoid and the teres minor muscles. So this just gives a sensory feeling as well to the skin of the shoulder. Then for our third one, our lumbar plexus. It's located in the lower back region, and it helps a lot in back, abdomen, groin, thighs, knees, and calves. So one of the main nerves would be the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. It gives a sensory feeling to the lateral thigh and as well as the obturator nerve. This is basically just helping in like a motor to the abductor muscles of the thigh. So our final one is the sacral plexus. So the sacral plexus aids us in the posterior portion of the pelvis. It allows lots of movement to happen right there, and some of the main nerves that help the sacral plexus act the way it should is the main one, I'd say, would be the sciatic nerve. So sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in the body, and it divides into the tibial and the common fibular nerves as well. So the second one would be the inferior gluteal nerve. So this helps lots with innervating the gluteal maximus muscle, and this also goes hand in hand with the superior gluteal nerve. So this helps innervate the gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, the tensor fasciae latae muscles, as we presented here.